And after all that Christmas wrapping, if your scissors are a bit blunt, hold on to the foil after cleaning your silver yesterday. Here's a little tip.